GoDaddy is a well-known web hosting company that provides domain registration, web hosting, and online marketing services. Founded in 1997, GoDaddy has become one of the largest domain registrars and web hosting companies in the world. They offer a range of services, including domain registration, registering your business name as a domain name, for example, yourbusinessname.com. Web hosting, hosting your website on their servers, allowing it to be accessed by the public. Online marketing, offering services such as email marketing, search engine optimization, and social media management. Creating an online store with GoDaddy. To create an online store with GoDaddy, you can follow these steps. Sign up for GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy's website and sign up for an account. Choose a plan. Select a plan that suits your needs, including the type of hosting you need, such as shared hosting, VPS, or dedicated hosting. Register your domain. Register your business name as a domain name using GoDaddy's domain registrar. Install an e-commerce platform. GoDaddy offers various e-commerce platforms, such as Shopify or Magento, which can be installed on your website. Set up your store. Configure your store's settings, including payment options, shipping methods, and product categories. Add products. Upload your products to your store and set their prices and descriptions. Launch your store. Launch your online store and start selling. Things to know before starting to make money online with GoDaddy in 2024. Competition. With millions of websites already online, it's crucial to differentiate your business and create a unique selling proposition. Marketing. Building a successful online store requires effective marketing strategies, including SEO, social media, and content marketing. Security. Ensure your website and online store are secure by using SSL certificates, regular software updates, and strong passwords. Fees. Be aware of GoDaddy's fees for services such as domain registration, hosting, and e-commerce platform usage. Support. GoDaddy offers 24/7 support, but it's essential to have a basic understanding of website maintenance and troubleshooting. Scalability. Plan for growth and scalability by choosing a hosting plan that can accommodate increased traffic and sales. Analytics. Monitor your website's performance using analytics tools like Google Analytics to track traffic, sales, and conversion rates.